We'll guide you through how to install Google Classroom on phone. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for this tutorial because they want to install Google Classroom on their phones so they can access classes more easily. To begin this tutorial, open your phone and make sure it is ready to use. In this example, the device being used is an Android phone. Next, make sure that you download the application through the Play Store because it is the safest and most reliable method to install apps on Android devices. Locate the Play Store icon on your phone screen and click Play Store to open it. After the application opens, you will be directed to the Apps menu page where many recommended applications are displayed. To make the process easier and faster, use the search feature that is available in the Play Store. In the search menu, you can also explore different apps based on categories. However, in this tutorial, choose the search bar located at the top of the screen. After the search bar opens, type the word Classroom using your phone keyboard. Once you finish typing, the search results will appear on the screen. Usually, the result for Google Classroom will appear at the top of the list. Click Google Classroom to open the application information page. Before installing the application, you can check its compatibility with your device. To do this, click the About This App section and find the Compatibility for your devices section. If the information shows works on your device, it means the application is compatible with your phone and can be installed safely. After confirming this information, go back to the main application page. Then click the Install button. Wait until the downloading and installation process is completely finished. After the installation is completed, a new button labeled Open will appear. Click Open to launch the application on your phone. Next, choose which Google account you want to use to sign in to Google Classroom. In this example, select the GuideHub account that already exists on the device. After signing in, allow notifications so you can receive updates and assignment alerts from your classes, then click Got It to continue. The installation process is complete, and Google Classroom can now be used on your phone.